In this video, I'm going to show you how to get coupon codes for Lego. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to Google. Now in the Google search bar, type in coupon codes for Lego. And then when we come to the search results here, a site I like to use is called Coupon Follow. So we've got Coupon Follow we can go check out. We've got Lifehacker. If we keep scrolling on, we've got Groupon.com, coupons.com, realtilemynot.com. You can check out any one of those sites, but yeah, like I said, Coupon Follow is a great spot to get coupon codes. Alright, so now I'm inside Coupon Follow and you can see all the different coupons they have. So at the moment they are offering a 10% off annual web hosting, 2-time point at Lego for Lego Insiders. You've got 50% off your order, etc. So if we want to check out any one of these discounts or activate them, we can just click onto it. So if I want to get 50% off more, I'm going to click onto that. And then from here, I want to copy this coupon code and then I'm going to paste this code at the checkout section of Lego to activate 50% off that order. These codes do expire and they do change daily, weekly, monthly. So if one expires or something like that, just come back or go to a different site and then move on to the next coupon code that works.